I started recording now. In this session, I will discuss about SketchUp, how to use SketchUp, and I have the lesson plan here. So I prepared this lesson plan for this session for 30 minutes only, and I can develop it to be 8 minutes. And this is the objects, and the objects include skills, knowledge, and attitude. And these are the materials which we will use. I sent already these videos. You should watch them for preparing, and this slide we will use. And this link for online SketchUp, I will copy it and paste in the chat room. Now, you can open it at your browsers. You can open this link in your browsers. You can.
Do you want us to open it now to follow up with you, or it's for our use any other time?
Yes, you can open it and make a registration after the session and practice what we will say, because the session is small and it takes only 30 minutes. So you can use it. Now we will start by pre-assessment or pre-test for the knowledge about drawing, engineering drawing. So through this link, also this link is a Kahoot quiz, and I will share it with you in the chat. You will open it, okay? You will open Kahoot.it, okay? You know how? Or I share the link, so it will be.
Yes, I can use it. You need to share with us the link or the game pin, please.
The game. So you will open Kahoot.it, and I will give you now. I will give you now the code. So I will stop here now and come back to share with you. You are listening. You are listening my voice.
Yes, we can hear it clearly.
Okay. So in Kahoot, I will play
yes,
now.
we can hear you, but we need the pin, the game pin. The Kahoot is asking for the game pin.
Yes. So in my library, I will open it just 1 seconds, and I will send you the code for the game. Simple play. Teach. And then classic. The pin or the code for the line, it's on the chat.
Okay, thank you.
I start now. I started. The question appear?
Yes.
Okay. The next question. No problem. We are learning. Okay. Well done, Miss Shaima
شكرا.
and Miss May.
I'm trying, but I'm a little bit lost. I can't understand what's happening. It just shows me the options without showing me the question.
You need to read the questions on the shared screen Mr. Osama is sharing with us.
And then I go and answer there, right?
Yeah, this is why I'm using my mobile phone. So I have Kahoot on my phone and I'm watching the questions on the laptop screen.
Okay.
Good luck, Miss May. Great.
Thank you.
So you're on question 4 now, right?
The question and up still it's the end up of the screen. If the radius of a circle is 10 millimeter, what is the diameter? Very good. All answer this question. Well done. The diameter of a circle is 60 centimeter. What is the radius? Well done. Very good. What number represents pi? Very good. Good working. Great. Thanks for playing this game. It's social, play and learn. This is the philosophy of Kahoot. Now we will go back to our session, which about drawing using SketchUp. So first of all, as we know that our unit about the transportation, so I will show you some practical drawing on transportation and using of transportation in practical in our daily life. So drawing is used in designing railway stations, railways, and this drawing for a railway اللي هي الشريط السكن اللي مش عليه القطر دي تحويله. طبعا الحاجات لازم تكون مرسومه بدقه. دي another drawing for the elevators, especially in the machine room of the elevator. and this also the plan اللي هو الرسم الافقي لتصميم الاليفيتور. وهنا التقل على اليمين اللي هو الجزء دوت، وده الكابينه وده الباب بتاعنا. Another thing, this is also related to elevators, and this is a bridge for the people to pass from one side to the other side on the railways. This is a plan of flat, and this also for elevation or elevators. This is the drawing for bridge. This is a drawing for railways on railway stations. And this is a plan for elevator. And this is a drawing illustrate the different types of bridges which are used for solving the transportation challenge. So now we will use learn how to use SketchUp practically. Okay. The first thing we'll learn how to draw a very simple shape like a rectangle. We will set one corner. You see? And we will set the other corner. We can use this, the orbit tool. If we use this, we will see this shape. So this is a rectangle. So we can delete it. We can select all it and press delete. We deleted the shape. We can redraw. We'll first select one corner and go to the other corner. We can draw in accurate dimensions. So after we set the second point, which is the other point, we can write now, and the dimensions will appear here in the bottom in the right hand, as you see, in the bottom in the right hand. So we will put the first dimension as 2000 millimeters for the X, then comma, and we will put the second dimension 3000 millimeters, which is equals 30 centimeters. So the first is the X, which is in green axis, and the second for the Y on the sorry, the X in the red axis and the Y in the green axis. Okay. If we'd like to give this two-dimension drawing the third dimension, we will use the push-pull button or tool and go in this direction. So if we'd like to put the dimension on this height, so we will press its dimension 2000 millimeters, which is equal to 20 centimeters. Now we would like to learn how to put the dimensions. We will use this tool. So this is the dimension of the height, and this is the dimension of the width in x-axis, and this is the dimension of the y or the depth. It's not correct. على فكرة في exam online exam after the session برضه على كهود معايا يا جماعة حضرات
معاك يا مستر أرسل.
Yes, we are.
ركزوا
So
معايا.
you put the dimensions as the drawing dimensions, not as the real dimensions of the site.
Yes. So this tool is the orbit. As you see, if you imagine this the لوحة الرسم, we can change the views from this. We are changing the position of drawing place. Okay. So now we need to know this dimension, the x, the y axis here. We will use this tool and press in the first point and the second point here, and this is the dimension. Okay. Now we would like to know how to draw arcs. So we will change this view and we will sit here and select arc. We have arc with 1 point, with 2 points, 3 points. We'll select 2 point arc. So we'll set 1 point here and the other point here. Okay. If I would like to put the dimension of this exactly as 10 centimeters, so this is 10 centimeters. Okay. If I would like to draw another arc but in the other side, okay, so I would like to change the shape to be not a circle. Okay. Now I can use this push pull to make a thickness or to dig on it or on to build up. So I have 3D positive or 3D negative. And down is negative. كأني بحفر. لكن up أنا ببني فده positive 3D. Okay. So I can change this view. Okay. If I would like to zoom in, what I can do, I will scroll up the mouse. I will make scrolling up. So I make zoom in. Back up. If I scroll down, I zoom out. This is zoom out. Okay. You are concentrating with me? Hello?
تمام معاك يا مستر أرسل.
It's very interesting.
Scroll up, zoom in. Scroll down, zoom out. Okay. Rotating, scrolling, or hold and scroll, or on the right button. Hold and scroll make me rotate or orbit. Okay. How to move this drawing? To move this drawing, I will select all the drawing and use this tool, move, which is like cross, and then move. So the drawing it changed from the origin. Okay. As you see, it moved. Okay. If I don't select this and just select one service like this service, if I moved, only this service will be moved. Okay. This tool is pan. This pan, this move the drawing place, but in a not like the orbit. The orbit makes an angles up and down, many angles, but the pan, the hand pan, this pan moves in the same plane, not in different angles. Okay. How to rotate? To rotate, I use this tool, this shape. I will repeat this for push pull, for positive or negative dimension, this for orbit, okay, and this for move, okay, and this for arc, and so on. So if I would like to rotate, rotation happened around in some surface around 1 point. So I will use this tool for rotate. To rotate, I will have to select a surface. This is a surface which is perpendicular to this this axis in blue. Okay, this blue. So this horizontal surface is perpendicular to the vertical blue axis, and this in red, this surface is perpendicular to the red axis. This surface, and this one is in green, perpendicular to the green axis. So I will select the blue surface, which is horizontal, and I will select one point, such as this point. Okay. And then I will select another point and rotate. So I have to select a surface and a point on it, and then start rotating. Now it's rotating, as you see. But here I rotate the surface, but all the body is fixed. So I have to select all the objects, all the drawing. I select all here by this, and then select the tool for rotation, and then select one point and the other point, and the object will be rotated around this central point, as you see. Okay. This is I can change the rotation, such as here. So I will rotate in this direction. Okay. If I would like to rotate in this surface, I will select the angle to be in this surface like this, and then select one point and another point and rotate. Okay. So you have to practice it practically on online website, or install the SketchUp from the SketchUp website. Now I would like to change the orbit like this. So now we understood some tools. We have another tool, which is this tool for scale. If I would like to change the scale, not zoom in and zoom out, but change the dimensions itself. So I will select all. I will select all the drawing. And then select scale. And I have one point, all the dimensions are changing. You see the dimensions changing. Control Z. This is the main dimension, the essential drawing. If I would like to change it up exactly in some ratio, I will write the ratio down. So this ratio is 1.11. So if I would like to double this ratio, just I will put 2. Now it doubled. If I would like to let it half, just write 0.5. Now it's a in the half dimensions. Okay. If I will press 1, it's in the same dimensions, so no change. Okay. This is for scaling and changing the dimensions according to some ratio. Now, if I'd like to delete this drawing, I will select all and press delete. Now we will learn how to draw Kora or sphere, ball. You can use SketchUp. You can this drawing. You can make real. This 3 dimension. You can make it real by using 3D printers. Do you know 3D printers?
Yes.
Do you use it before or?
Yes, I know. So whatever I draw, I can print it using the 3D printer.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes.
I didn't know this is the tool that we can use.
Yes.
To print, to make the 3D models.
No, SketchUp. You can design your model in 3D and then convert it in some extension and take it in a flash. You put this flash memory in the 3D printer and select your material and print it. Okay. One of the medical issues لو كان حد عمل حادثة مثلا بعد الشر يعني مثلا حته من عظم الدقن مثلا راحت في الحادثه دي، فممكن يتعمل سكان للشخص ده او بصوره قديمه، ويتعامل جزء وصوره بعد الحادثه، او في مناخيره مثلا، ويتعامل الجزء دوت ويتحط يفتح الجلد ويعملوا العمليه، ويحط المكان اللي هو عمل له برينتنج او برينتر، ويتحط عليه الجلد تاني ويتخيط، والجزء دوت كان عمليه تجميل يعني.
Great application in real life. Thank you, Mr.
Okay. Let us know how to draw a sphere or ball. We will select, we will draw a circle, and we will put 20 centimeters. Okay, so this diameter radius of 20 centimeters, if we take the dimension from here, it's 20 centimeters. Okay, now we will draw a perpendicular circle for this circle. يعني هنرسم دايره عموديه على الدايره دي، فهنختار برضو سيركل تانية اهي، ونيجي هنا برضو في نفس السنتر، بس احنا مش هنعمل في نفس المستوى، هنعمل في مستوى عمودي. فهنغير بالاوربت كده الزاويه بتاعتنا بحيث انها تبقى عامله زي اللاين كده، قريبه من اللاين. وهنختار برضو السيركل تاني، ونيجي هنا في السنتر ونرسم، وبعد كده مش جايه برضو جايه في نفس المستوى، مش هينفع، هنغير تاني برضو اهي، وبرضو هنختار السيركل تاني. هنا برضو انا بغير كده بحيث ان هي ايه، انا عايز ارسم السيركل فتبقى ايه في مستوى عمودي. اهي تمام، ولازم يكون نفس السنتر، بس السنتر ده ما اعتقدش ان هو نفس السنتر، فلازم يكون في نفس السنتر. وبعد كده انا برضو هكتب ان هي ايه، عباره عن 20 سنتيمتر، وبعد كده هغير الزاويه اشوف ان هي ايه نفس السنتر ولا لا. لا مش نفس، بعيده خالص. فاحتمال عشان الزوم شغال مع السكتش اب فمتقل الجهاز، فهي مش جايه اكيوريتلي. كده في نفس السنتر، وبطلع كده وبركز، وبرضه هغير الدايمنشن اخليها 220 سم، هي كده 20 المفروض، بس اتاكد برضه ان هي مرسومه صح، فلازم ابص كده هي كده صح. شايفين يا حضرات؟ After that I will use this tool which is follow me. This tool follow me, and then we'll select one surface, one circle, and if I will rotate it, I will rotate this to the other circle. Select this circle and will rotate on the other circle.
Amazing.
هي عايزه بس دقه شويه، واول لما تقفل كده هي كده قفلت هنا، هي كده هنا لما تيجي كده تلف، يعني شايفين اهو هي كده قفلت، بس انا عايز اظبط الحته دي عشان ايه؟ اسيب الماوس او اعمل كليك تاني. اهي هي كده خلاص، هي كده الدايره اتعمل، الكره اتعملت. ادوس كليك، هي كده اتعملت. ادور كده.
عشان كده بيقولوا اللي بيعملوا ديزايننج على الابلكيشنز دي بيكونوا محتاجين ماوس مخصوص عشان يعرفوا يتحكموا فيه. بيبقى مور اكيوريت وسهل التحكم فيه اكتر، مش كده؟
صحيح يا مستمعين. طيب انا كده خلصت السيشن، وكده المفروض يعني خلال السيشن انتوا بتعملوا براكتسنج من الويب سايت الاونلاين. فالمفروض دلوقتي معاكم مثلا وقت تعملوا براكتسنج، او لو انتوا مسطبين السكتش اب المفروض تعملوا حاجات زي كده. تمام. طبعا هو المفروض
عشان اعمل براكتسنج على الويب سايت.
على الاونلاين ويب
كده؟
سايت اللي انا بعته على الشات.
اوكي.
الفكره ان احنا عاوزين الطلبه يتعلموا يعملوا حاجه بروتوتايب خاص بالترانسبورتيشن. فيا اما يعملوا حاجه للريلويز، يا اما حاجه بريدج مثلا، زي يختاروا بريدج من البريدجز ديت، وبالتالي يعملوا التصميم بتاعهم بحيث ان هم ايه يسولف التشالنج اللي هي الخاصه بالترانسبورتيشنز. فهم كده. احنا دلوقتي الستيج الاخرانيه في السيشن بتاعنا اللي هي الاكزit تيكت، ودي برضه هتكون من خلال كاهوت. من خلال كاهوت. فانا هعمل ستوب شير وهبعت لكم اللينك بتاع الكود. ماشي؟ اوكي.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Osama. That's very interesting.
Not at all. Thanks, Miss Marilise. Kahoot, and I will select the exit ticket quiz, which is now related to SketchUp, and it's related to our session today. I'm preparing the game bin. So the game bin is 762 8,478.
Can you share the screen with the game pin or send it on chat, please?
Okay. Just I'm opening now the Zoom again.
And the Kahoot link too.
Yes, Kahoot link. Kahoot.it. The same website, Kahoot.it. Okay, Miss Marilise.
Can you share the screen?
Okay.
And share the sound. عشان I love the suspense sound, الميوزك اللي بتبقى مع كاهوت.
Okay.
Thank you.
How to share the sound?
Share screen down there. I think لا مش عارف.
Advanced sharing.
Since I'm not sharing it, I'm sure how to share sound, but I think you'll find the option on the share screen to share sound.
Okay, we can start now.
Yes.
Okay. What is the symbol called? على فكرة السيمبل واضح ان هو صغير جدا، شايفينه؟ واضح صغير.
واضح.
Oh,
I can see it, yes.
Okay, very good. برضه السيمبل صغير جدا. well done. well done Miss شيماء.
شكرا.
well done. well done. Okay. very good. هو بصراحة الكحول جميل جدا.
Yes, I
حلو
like
جدا.
اثبت ان انا ما بحفظش الاسامي بسرعه.
طيب انا كده خلصت السيشن بتاعي. هو كده
Stop recording please.
ريكوردينج، انت عايز ريكوردينج؟ ستوب ريكوردينج.
Stop recording.
Thank you, Mr. Osama.
Not at all.
كان حلو جدا مستر أسامة.
شكرا.
Thank you Mr.
شيماء شكلها من المجتهدين بتوع الفصل. لأن